Okay, today we're going to talk about elapsed time. Elapsed time is the amount of time that passes between two events. So you can have the start time and the end time, and we're going to figure out how many minutes or hours were in between. One way that we can show elapsed time is using a number line. That's where we're going to begin. So, if I know that my start time was 1:32 p.m. And I know that my end time is 2:07 p.m. I can use a number line to show how much time has passed. So I'll begin by drawing my number line. And I'm going to mark my start time first. So my start time was 1:32. Now, this is where you have some flexibility. Just like when we learned strategies for multiplication and division, this allows you to work with what you know. I like making jumps in groups of 10 and groups of 5 and so forth. I'm going to begin by making a jump of 10. So I know that 10 minutes would put me at 1:42. Okay, I'm still trying to get to 2:07. Now I'm going to make another jump of 10 minutes. What's that going to put me at? 1:52. Now, that's really close to the next hour. If I jump 10 more, that would get me to 2:02. But here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to move to the next hour. So here's my hop, and I want to move to 2 o'clock. Well, how many minutes passed from 1:52 to 2 o'clock? 8 minutes. Then I know that to get from 2 to 2:07, I'm going to jump 7 minutes. Once I have all of my jumps and I go from my starting time to my end time, I can add that up. 10 plus 10 plus 8 plus 7 equals 35 minutes. That doesn't have to be the only number line that I do. I might not have wanted to do it that way. So let's look at a different approach. I still have to start at 1:32 p.m. And I'm going to make a group of 30. I know that for time, it's easy to go 30, 60, 30, 60. So maybe I want to make one giant leap 30 minutes forward. That's going to be 2:02. Now I have to move from 2:02 to 2:07. And that's 5 minutes. Once I have all of my hops, I add it up. 30 plus 5 equals 35. It took 35 minutes. That's how we can use a number line to show where we start, where we end, and how we get there.